Hey everyone, this is immigration attorney Abisha Parikh. I'm an immigration attorney practicing nationwide here from my office in New Jersey. Today I want to talk to you guys about the public charge rule and the new requirement of submitting your credit report along with your green card application. So, under the new public charge rule, you are now required to fill out Form I-944 along with your adjustment of status petition. Form I-944 is the Declaration of Self-Sufficiency. In that form, if you read through it, you will see there is a question that asks for your credit score, and then you're required to submit your credit report along with the application. A lot of questions that I've been receiving from clients is, well, what if I don't have a credit report because I don't have a social security number? So a lot of people in the US, even if you came in on a non-immigrant visa, may have a social security number and credit history here in the US, but a lot of people don't. For example, if you're here on a visitor's visa or a newly entered student visa. So in this case, if you do not have a credit report, what you need to do is you need to contact one of the major credit agencies and have them issue you a statement that a credit score for you does not exist. This may be hard to do because a lot of agencies may not be able to issue you a letter for immigration purposes. What I would recommend is take a screenshot. So enter your information and take a screenshot that no credit history exists for you here in the US, and you can submit that to USCIS. Additionally, if you don't have a credit report, other forms of proof that you can submit to show that you've been paying your bills on time is proof of the payments of the bills. So if you have other bills, for example, rent payments, any utility bills that you pay, show the payment receipts to USCIS so that they can see that you have been paying your bills on time. Now, if you do have a credit report, you may be wondering, well, will my score positively or negatively affect my application? So based on the guidelines, a score of 670 above would be a positive factor in your case. A score of 580 or below would be a negative factor in your case. So that's how USCIS lays out, how the numbers in the credit score will play a role in your application. This is not the end-all be-all. The I-944 consists of multiple different layers, and even if you don't have a great credit score, you could still supplement your application with evidence of other assets you may have, proof that you've been paying your bills on time. So this brings us to the end of the video. Just one note that I have for you before I sign off is when you do submit your credit report to USCIS, make sure you send the full report. So the report has to include your entire credit history along with the credit score. So don't simply just take a screenshot or send the page that has the credit score on it. Make sure you send that full report. If you found this video helpful, please hit subscribe and give me a thumbs up below. By subscribing, you'll be notified of any new immigration-related videos that I put out. Thank you and have a great day.